Welcome to our special video about the largest warship in Latin America, the PHM Atlântico. Recently, we had the unique opportunity to visit the ship while it was docked at the port of Cabedelo, in Paraíba, where it was open to the public for viewing. The PHM Atlântico, originally known as HMS Ocean, was acquired by the Brazilian Navy for $118 million. In a formal ceremony held on March the 27th, Queen Elizabeth II decommissioned the Ocean. Subsequently, on June the 29th, the ship was transferred to the HMNB Devonport naval base, marking the beginning of its journey as PHM Atlântico under the Brazilian flag. More than 200 meters long and with an impressive tonnage, the PHM Atlântico is truly a marvel of naval engineering. In addition to its transport capacity, the Atlantic has state-of-the-art command and control systems, making it a highly efficient platform for military and humanitarian missions. The PHM Atlântico is capable of carrying out a wide range of operations, from naval power projection to humanitarian assistance missions. Can transport up to 18 helicopters and drones, expanding its response and surveillance capacity in different situations. The Brazilian Navy operates a variety of helicopters, including the SH-60 Seahawk, EC-725 Super Cougar, Super Lynx, among others. In addition to the Brazilian Air Force, FAB, and Brazilian Army, EB, helicopters. Additionally, in 2022, the Brazilian Navy entered into a contract with Babcock International for the ongoing maintenance of the Atlantic. This partnership ensures that the ship maintains its performance and operability at optimal levels, ensuring its continued contribution to naval operations and the defense of Brazil. The PHM Atlântico is much more than just a warship. It is a symbol of Brazilian naval power and a vital instrument for the nation's defense and security. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn more about this impressive ship.